Across Canada's pastures and valleys, over 13,000 sheep producers raise animals that feed families, sustain rural economies, and care for the land. Behind them stands the Canadian Sheep Federation, the national voice uniting producers from every province, advancing innovation, protecting livelihoods, and shaping the future of sustainable agriculture. Our mission is simple: safeguard animal health, strengthen markets, and ensure producers have the tools to thrive in a changing world. Healthy animals are the cornerstone of a resilient industry. This year, the CSF worked with Health Canada and the Veterinary Drugs Directorate to secure faster access to critical vaccines and treatments, so producers can prevent disease instead of reacting to it. We advanced a national foot and mouth disease vaccine strategy, creating standard operating procedures, coordinating depopulation and disposal protocols, and establishing a clear chain of command for emergency response. But preparedness isn't just about paperwork, it's about people. The CSF is advocating for mental health supports to be built into national disease plans, because response takes both expertise and resilience. And through the Canadian Animal Health Surveillance System, we're expanding vector-borne disease monitoring, addressing threats like Cache Valley virus, and building the tools for real-time alerts to producers' phones. Every hour of planning means faster containment, healthier flocks, and protected markets. Innovation is no longer optional, it's essential. AgroLedger, the CSF's producer-driven traceability system, goes live this year. A secure, blockchain-based platform that simplifies compliance while improving disease response. It's intuitive, practical, and built for farmers, with manuals, online tutorials, and a support network that makes digital reporting straightforward. In September, AgroLedger was named one of the top 10 global livestock innovations by the United Nations Food and Agriculture Organization. That recognition, born from Canadian farms, proves that world-class technology doesn't need to come from Silicon Valley. It can come from barn offices and farm boardrooms. Through tools like AgroLedger, the CSF is showing how producer-led technology can cut disease losses, open export markets, and set a new global standard for transparency and food security. Policy matters most when it protects people. When Canadian producers shipping lambs into Ontario faced double licensing fees, the CSF stood firm. We defended their right to fair treatment under national regulation, and the AFRAT decision confirmed it. Our advocacy doesn't stop at home. We engage the federal government to streamline veterinary drug approvals, aligning with international regulators so products reach Canadian farms faster. And we're working with trade officials to ensure Canada's high standards in food safety and animal care are recognized globally, positioning Canadian lamb as a trusted, sustainable choice. Technology and policy mean little without people who can use them. This year, CSF's ultrasound pregnancy assessment program trained producers and veterinarians in advanced scanning techniques, with 85% of each course dedicated to hands-on learning. These programs improve reproductive efficiency, animal welfare, and on-farm profitability, and they're building national capacity in veterinary skills once limited to other countries. At the same time, through the Global Sheep Producers Forum, Canada continues to play a leading role in shaping international cooperation, sharing policy expertise and empowering the next generation of producers through exchanges and leadership development. Every workshop, every exchange, and every collaboration helps build the next layer of industry leadership. Climate resilience is no longer a talking point. It's a business model. Through projects like Face It, the CSF is exploring how data from animals can improve welfare and reduce waste, connecting sustainability directly to animal health. We've shown that better health management means fewer losses, and fewer losses mean a smaller carbon footprint. In collaboration with global partners like Beef and Lamb New Zealand and the FAO, the CSF is helping shape how the world measures and manages livestock sustainability, from greenhouse gas reduction to ethical production standards. The Canadian Sheep Federation is more than an organization. It's a movement built by producers for producers. We are turning advocacy into action, policy into progress, and innovation into everyday practice. From advancing animal health and biosecurity to representing Canada on the world stage, we are proving that even a right-sized sector can make an outsized impact. Together, we are building a resilient, sustainable, and globally competitive Canadian sheep industry, one that feeds families, fuels economies, and defines the future of agriculture. Canadian Sheep Federation, protecting the right to farm, advancing the future of Canadian agriculture.